and Kip, episode 35. Stamps everywhere. Bird stamps flew everywhere. Some landed in the branches. Some landed on the grass. One stamp landed somewhere else. I am so sorry, Bird, said Kip. It's okay, said Bird. I can find the stamps. No, said Kip. We can find the stamps. The two friends looked for Bird's stamp. Bird looked high. Kip looked low. Bird found some up in the branches. Kip found some down in the grass. Soon they had a bunch of stamps. They brought them back to Bird's nest. Bird put the stamps back in the box. Kip looked around one more time. I don't see any more stamps, Kip said. I think we found all of them. No, said Bird. One stamp is missing. And it's my favorite one, the bird stamp.